The first external tendons have been installed in Europe in the 1970s. The first generation, the tendon is made up of bare multistrand, which are inside a HP pipe, protected by cement ground. The second generation, these are individually protected strands, without the need for an outer HP pipe nor for grouting. The primary objective to develop this second generation system was to come up with a state-of-the-art corrosion protection system for the strands without having to grout the tendon. So this system provides several long-term benefits to the client. Firstly, it's easily inspectable. The strands can be visually inspected over the full length. Secondly, the individual strands can be restressed at any time, can be detensioned as well as replaced. And thirdly, if there is a strand failure, it will not lead to an overstress to the other strands, like it is for the first gen system, which could potentially lead to a tendon failure. So the benefits for VSL as a specialist contractor and installer is that the strands can be installed and stressed with light equipment. Monostrand jacks are used for stressing without the need for handling large and heavy multistrand jacks. And the obvious benefit, no need for grouting. The VSL technology business line came up with a new type of deviator, which is made up of individual pads, which allowed to be post-installed, meaning they can be installed through existing cast-in steel pipe. So the major benefit of this is that it can be now used for retrofit as well as for new projects. This new improved second-gen system has been fully tested. So in-house tests to confirm the compliance with the standards have been done in Switzerland, and in Hong Kong we carried out a full-scale mock-up which was witnessed by Highways.